1, go.
Hi everybody, I'm Patrick Eulery. I am the middle school science teacher here at Christ the Teacher. For the middle school, for our contribution and for our project for Stream Week, we are going to make lava lamps in a bag. So for this project, what you'll need is 1 cup of water and 1.5 cups of oil. Now, you can do part of it with the water because we're going to want it colored. If you have a black light and you want it to glow, what I want you to do is go ahead and you'll use a highlighter and a piece of napkin and just color that and let it soak in the water for about 15 minutes, and this will give it its glow. If you don't have a black light, it's okay. It still ends up pretty cool. Just go ahead and use a few drops of food coloring and let that get it all mixed up and everything, and it'll still have a nice effect. So to get started with this, I do have a black light, and so I let my paper towel soak in the water and give it a nice, as you can see, a nice yellow color. And then I poured 1.5 cups of oil. So what we're gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour the water and the oil in there, and just thinking about the science of it, what is going to end up happening is because we know oil is not attracted to water, so the oil is going to separate from the water. So we'll see that pretty quickly. Now, the thing is, with as far as the weight of both of these, oil is lighter. If you weighed a cup of oil and a cup of water, the water would be heavier. So, as you could probably imagine, the oil is going to flow up. So we're going to combine those, and then we'll start to our next step. So I am just going to, as carefully as possible, add my water, and it's already nice and mixed up for us. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the oil, and we'll just simply put that on top. So if everything's predicted right, our oil is sitting on top. Now, to actually make the bubbles and make our lava lamp work, we're going to use Alka-Seltzer tablets. I broke them up. I already have them broken up, so what I'm going to do is end up dropping them in. Now, what happens here is the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water, making the bubbles, so it ends up in the process, the bubbles are lighter than everything, so it's going to drag the water up, and so it's going to start making little designs, and it'll drag it up, and then as the water gets to the top, it'll go back down, so we'll see that. And again, I have the black light, so we're going to use the black light to show what this looks like illuminated. So first, it takes a little bit to get this going, so I will turn that on, and then we're going to start dropping. Then I will start dropping pieces of the Alka-Seltzer in, and it will start its reaction. And we'll give it just a second to really get going. And as it does that, we'll put it up to this, and there is your lava lamp in a bag.